What is your life? Where do you go after death? You never go to hell and heaven. Don't listen to these stupid ideas of the priests. No. Don't. See, religions are not meant to create fears in your mind and heart. Religions are meant to give freedom. This is the control that they impose on you. Where do you go after death, tell me? You live here in your habit patterns. After death, you remain in habit patterns. You have certain habits. Those habits lead your individual soul and remain in habit patterns. You don't go anywhere. Forget it that death has power to release you from your habit patterns. That's impossibility.